In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import tax rates into WooCommerce. We'll walk through the full process of enabling tax settings and then importing your tax rates from a CSV file into your WooCommerce store. This is a helpful way to save time, especially if you're working with a large list of tax rates and don't want to enter everything manually. To get started, go to your WordPress dashboard. This is the main admin area where you manage your website and store settings. Once you're in the dashboard, head over to WooCommerce, then Settings, and open the General tab. This is where WooCommerce keeps some of its core store options, including whether tax features are turned on at all. In the General settings, look for the option labeled Enable Tax Rates and Calculations. If this box is not checked, WooCommerce won't show the tax configuration area you need for importing rates. Check that box, then make sure to save your changes. Saving here is important because the tax tab will only become available after this setting has been enabled. After that, go back into WooCommerce settings and open the tax tab. This section is where you manage tax behavior for your store, including different tax classes and the actual rate tables. Inside the tax area, click on the specific tax rate table you want to populate. For example, you might choose standard rates if that's the main class you want to import into. It's a good idea to confirm you're in the correct tax class before importing, since the CSV will be added to whichever table is currently open. Next, look just beneath the tax class tabs and click the Import CSV button. This opens the import option for that tax table and allows you to bring in tax rates from a prepared spreadsheet file. Now click Choose File and select the CSV file from your computer. Once the correct file is selected, click Upload File and Import. WooCommerce will then process the CSV and add those tax rates into the table you selected. After the import finishes, take a moment to review the imported entries to make sure everything appears as expected. That quick check can help you catch formatting issues or accidental imports right away. And that's it. You've successfully imported tax rates into WooCommerce. If you're updating store taxes regularly, using CSV imports can make the process much faster and more consistent. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.